Hey guys, Unknown here, and today we're going to be installing the Mk8 Induction Bundle from 034. This is currently what the stock intake looks like. I do have the carbon fiber intake duct from 034. Essentially, the induction bundle comes with the turbo inlet, which is one T30 screw if I'm not mistaken. Taking off the intake is very straightforward. It's actually really just under 3 grommets. Shout out to 034 Motorsport for taking care of me and doing literally next day shipping. Their shipping is incredibly fast. I love these stickers. Shout out to whoever's initials SF and the person who assembled it. Nice little signature there. I got a brochure. Let's go. Packaging, bro. Hella
tight.
Yeah, bro. Tubing on this, dude. That's crazy. It literally replaces this piece right here, the intake. Ooh, look at that turbo inlet.
Oh, wow, that's so nice.
Oh my god, it feels nice. I've never actually held it. It's the intake, guys. This is the real intake, guys. This is actually the reason why I bought it. This is the intake we're gonna be installing today. That's how big it is. Yes, it's pretty crazy. Gets the job done.
034.
Look at the... Dude, this was a lot bigger than the one I had. Pause.
There we go. This middle one, pull up. There you go. Yeah, give it support. How the f do you pull out the other one?
Literally just pulled it out.
I don't want to break your... Yeah, I know. Don't make the same mistake. My charge pipe goes this. Then big cone, sister little cone, and then...
It smells strange.
What? It smells strange.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure you have everything installed.
And done. That intake, you know, maybe like 4 hours. Nothing crazy. Sheesh. Got the intake.